would say good morning to you guys, but it's actually like 3 p.m. and I am scrubbing the carpets with a little spot handheld because I don't have a scrubber. So whenever you have a very open house, you know, a very open setup going on, it's very hard to be like, I'm doing this room today, I'll do that room tomorrow, because then you're left with technically 3 rooms where only 1.5 of that room is done. Still scrubbing. I already scrubbed that over there. These are the spots I was recently just now scrubbing. So all with a little handheld guy, huh? I forgot to mention is that both my tots are sick. Do you want the sticker off the front? Leanna, you put a sticker on his truck. After splitting firewood with my stepdad yesterday, I am like hurting, laying on the couch. I'm not alone. I am hurting together with somebody. Hide your face behind your phone. JR is hurting with me, physically. Not everything's about you, Leanna. Kids have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, and we'll be going over there tomorrow. I ordered a new rug on Amazon because I was tired of this floor and everything, so I finally got it today, which was just 2 days ago that I ordered it, and I don't really care for it. Like, it gives off a different vibe than what I was expecting. I was expecting more brown, more of a country look, but it's alright. It's nice to see any rug here instead of the carpet that's already here. Like a game. It looks brown on camera, like looks like it has more brown on camera, but it really doesn't. It's more of like an orange. Like, even where it looks brown in here and stuff to you guys, it's actually more of like an orange. But you know, I guess it warms up the room. I tried rearranging again. It's just not working for me. Don't get a sectional. You can never readjust it. Hi, good morning, you guys. If you watch my other videos, you'll know that Leanna and PJ are both sick, so today I am taking them to the doctors. But first, I gotta get ready. Wait till the kids wake up, get them ready, and we're gonna be leaving to go do that. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. A quick ready for the day. Oh, sounds like my grandma's here. I'll see you guys in a little bit. At the doctor's, where is the shot things? Because I do think they're behind. Don't they have one on the wall?
Oh, you mean like what they're supposed to get and blah blah blah.
That doesn't really help me anything either. Immunized by 2. Usually they say, you know, what shots to give at what times.
For the paper. I've seen one in primary care. I've seen one down.
Yeah, this place is a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
But I'll probably get it.
Yeah.
You're gonna get clean.
When you're sick, I mean, if you have a cold, they don't give shots in either. Okay?
Yeah, they want you to be all fit. Now you look like Nana Nisi.
How come everybody says that?
Because, you know, older women wear their pants higher.
I pull my pants way up. I don't pull my pants up.
No, I guess it's more of an Aunt Jeannie thing.
No.
You guys gonna get your stuff listened to today? Learn all you need to learn, child.
You dancing? You see that Trinity dancing?
Oh, I know, she's adorable.
All you have to do is put on any kind of music. Tiff had CCR one day.
Jay, time to go. We're back home from the doctor's appointment. It was just a common cold. I had a few family members suggest whooping cough, but their symptoms don't fit nearly anywhere close to whooping cough. Thank goodness. But a common cold, and PJ does have an ear infection. So he'll be taking antibiotics to get rid of that ear infection. We're home. I am bumming it. I'm just in my comfy blankie. My daughter's watching her videos on her tablet. PJ's down for a nap, and whew, I'm not a fan of going to the doctors. So whenever my kids go to the doctors, it's because it's necessary. You want to make sure everything's okay. And as long as everything's okay, then everything is all right around me. I'm probably going to take a little nap while PJ's napping. It might be the safest time. Or I'll just get on the computer and do some more editing.
Downtown Pittsburgh is the place to be for the People's Gas Holiday Market. Open 7 days a week. This holiday village.
Kids in bed. I still got one crying. PJ's still crying, probably because of his ear infection and whatnot. I gave him his antibiotics and put a humidifier in his room, so hopefully that works. Leanna is she just finished cleaning up her room, so she's gonna be going to bed, and that will hopefully be, oops, sorry about the light, that will be closing down for the evening. Hopefully. I'm tired. I started scrubbing the floor and it just, the carpet, and it just didn't work. Okay, you want to get in bed?
This is not like the Jedi.
This is not like the Jedi mind trick.
Okay, get in. You guys, I got food put away, all dishes are done, and the boys are gone taking a log splitter somewhere, and I'm going to bed. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like my videos, and go and check out a few of my other videos. These are a little calm and mellow, but I have, you know, more interesting videos.